What if it actually works out? Not what if it fails. Not what if you will embarrass yourself. Not what if everyone will find out that you are not good enough. What if it actually works out? मैं चाहता हूं अगले 15 मिनट तक तुम इस क्वेश्चन को लेके बैठो और सोचो, बिकॉज आई एम अबाउट टू शो यू द वन थिंग that every single successful person on this planet has in common. It's not luck. It's not even hard work, really. It's not even talent. It is that they were delusional enough to believe it before they had any proof. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to install that same delusion into your own head. Let's be honest first. You have been told your whole life to be realistic, to set achievable goals, to define your own boundary yourself. Have a backup plan. जितनी चादर है उतने ही पैर फैलाओ. Sounds responsible, right? Sounds smart. पर इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम है. Realistic thinking is calibrated to average outcome. ये बनता है वो देख के जो ज्यादातर लोग कर रहे हैं, जो ज्यादातर लोग कर चुके हैं. But you don't want to be most of the people. Even nobody watching a self-improvement video at 11 p.m. wants to be an average guy. So if you build your entire belief system around being realistic, then you are literally training yourself to aim for average on purpose every single day. Meanwhile, the people who actually break out, the founders, the athletes, the musicians, the ones who go from nothing to everything, they weren't more realistic than you. They were less realistic. They looked at the odds, understood them, and decided that the odds didn't apply to them. And that is not stupidity. That is mindset. And trust me, it's learnable. हर एक वो founder जिसने बहुत crazy company खड़ी करी है, they have built something massive, had this exact same internal monologue before there were a single sign that it will work. This is going to be huge. I don't know how yet, but I know it. Now think about it. Product बनने से पहले, funding उठाने से पहले, एक proper बड़ी team बनने से भी पहले, there is just a person in the room fully convinced that it will definitely work. Don't know how. Don't have any idea of it. But this will work. Not hoping, but convinced. बस यही एक पैटर्न है. Stop waiting for the proof before you commit. Because proof comes after the leap, not before it. अगर तुम्हें पहले ही एक evidence चाहिए होगा, then you will, my friend, will wait forever. क्योंकि evidence तभी आएगा once you have already started acting like it's true. And bro, artists, founders, athletes, the ones who eventually make it, usually talk about the person they wanted to be years before the world agreed with them. Not arrogantly, but as a fact about who they are. I am the kind of person who finishes things. I am someone who takes the shot. I don't miss deadlines. That's not who I am. And meanwhile, most of the people just do the opposite. They wait for some external proof, a win, a title, a follower count, before they let themselves claim their identity. But this identity has to come first, because identity drives behavior, and behavior is what actually produces the win. So, the key takeaway is that you don't earn the identity after the results. You first adopt the identity, and then the results will follow up, because this identity changes what you do daily. So now, out loud or in your notes app, write one identity sentence about who you are choosing to be, not who you are currently on paper. Say it like it's already true, because from today, it's a decision, not a description. And this is the only thing that separates people who stay delusional long enough to win from people who get cured of their delusion after their first setback. And trust me, every single person who have built something really big has a whole graveyard of failed attempts, embarrassing rejections, and the projects that totally flopped. The difference is what they told themselves in that exact moment. The average person hears no and thinks, see, I was wrong to believe. The delusional one hears no and thinks, okay, that's not the correct path. What's the next one? Same rejection, but completely different sentences attached to it.